Hey you guys, welcome back to Homesteading with SEK. I hope everyone is doing well. Alright you guys, so I am out in the garden and I am watermelon hunting because I'm sure it's going to be soon for me to harvest my melons. So over here at the DIY elevated raised bed, I have, let's see, 6 melons over here that is going to be harvest. What? Nope, 7. All right, you guys. So let me show you guys what they. Oh, this is what they started to do. So I had 3 that was able to get on the ledge right here. I had 2 that went inside, and now I'm seeing that I have 3 hanging over. So what I'm gonna try to do is salvage those, get them on this ledge, so that I hope that I can get a harvest. Now on this end, you guys, look at this one right here. It dropped right inside, and that's a nice big one, you guys. So, and here's one on the ledge right here. So like I said, I'm going to, after I do this video, I'm going to come back and see if I can salvage these 3 that's hanging down. And if not, I'll just throw them on the inside and let them compost down. And they will, hopefully the seeds will dry out. And they will be germinated again, maybe this summer or next year. So here's another one that is resting on top of this extra fencing that I had, and I decided to throw it on inside here to give the watermelon something to rest on, and that's what that one did. So yeah, we're looking about, yeah, I would say at least 6, right? So let's get on over here, you guys, because there's a lot going on the left side of the growing area, which is the watermelon patch. So this is what the watermelon patch is looking like over here. And as you can see, I got 2 big mamas right here. And as I was looking, I saw another one behind it right here. So it's going to be a good watermelon harvest this summer. And then over here, you guys, they went through the fencing like they always do. And I have another one right here. I think you guys can see it right here between the chair. And one, it went inside the fencing over here. Y'all see that one? So this is where I had all the green, sugar snap peas growing, and I got to clean this out, cut this back. And let's come around here, because, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have some little ones over here, but I don't think they are going to make it. I'll just keep my eye on them right here. And there's a few little ones. I did not prune these vines at all. I know it's a technique. They say you can prune the vines on one side, and it's supposed to help sweeten the melons. But y'all already know watermelon vines just go crazy. I don't have time to count 6 and 7 leaves on a vine. So, but there are people that have the time to do so, but I just don't. So let's see where else. I could have sworn I seen one over in this area the other day that was it was hiding. Okay, here's one. Yep, there's another one. So hopefully it'll reach its full maturity and I'll be able to harvest it. But I feel like I seen one hiding in between here. So, yep, there's one in there. And this is where I try to cover. There's one deep down inside there. So hopefully I'll get a harvest off of that one. I hope you guys can see that. And all right, let's get over here, you guys, because this is a funny area right here. And this vine came from some seeds that had dropped from last season, and this is the where it started at. The seed germinated over here in this area, and I wind up getting, there's one, let's see, I think you guys can see that one right there, and I think that one will reach its full maturity right here. And then here's another big mama jamma right here from that one vine that had, it was what they call, just one unexpected germination, surprise germination from last season's seeds. And then what happened was they traveled into the okra bed, and I was hoping it'd make it, but I could see that it didn't make it. It was two of them. See that one there, and then that one over there. So those two didn't make it. So right now we are looking at maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. We may 5, 6, 7. We may get about 10. We're gonna see. And as you can see, this vine is still growing. But what I'm gonna do is get in here and just cut it back, because I don't think I'm gonna have any more success out of that vine. But y'all see that one? We're gonna get that bad boy. So yeah, you guys, I was really hoping to get these other ones as I was watching them travel into the okra raised bed. I was really hoping. So overall, I'm still expecting a really good harvest of melons. So let's see. I think that's about it, you guys. Got that little one over here. And let's see. Yep. We got 2 little ones in here. And then, okay, so here we go. That's why I said I knew I had seen another one. So there's one right there, and that's a nice size. And then there's 2 more behind that one. So what I'm trying not to do is step on these vines, you guys, because I don't really know who's connected to who. So yeah, so see, there is 2 more right there, and then that other big one is right there. I'm hoping you guys can see it. It's super sunny out here right now. Okay, and then I still have some that's trying to grow. Look at this little one right here. It may not reach its full maturity, but that's okay. I'll take what I can get, you guys. There's those over here. This looks like it's gonna reach its full maturity. All right, you guys. So this is what the watermelon patch is looking like. So I hope you guys enjoyed this update. SK is still out here on the grind, out of breath, in the heat, trying to stay hydrated. And I hope you guys are doing the same thing. This is SK the Homesteader. Thank you so much for tuning in, you guys. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.